All right. All right. So we about to bake a cake.
We got to make a cake.
Okay, so we got all the ingredients.
No.
Let's get all the ingredients.
We didn't get all the ingredients, but we didn't get all the ingredients.
Eggs.
Eggs, come right out.
Oil. And what else is it?
Cake.
Water. Water.
And
Oh gosh, I gotta excuse me. I'm so raggedy right now.
egg.
So raggedy right now, but just when you gotta get off of work and get to being a mom. So we about to make our cake, some carrot cake. Carrot cake. And
What
the dogs are gonna watch. Say hi, Millie. Hi. Say hi, Millie. Million over there. Okay, come on. All right, so let's get to the cake.
Let's make a cake.
Let's bake a cake. Oh, I actually need this bowl.
We need the water. We need water.
Yeah, we do need water. I'm gonna get it. I'm going to get it.
We need some water.
I'm just looking at this. I feel like I need to go.
Make this right. This egg.
All right, I am almost ready. Almost ready. And magic. Voila. All right, cool. Come on, let's get ready.
Voila!
Voila.
Voila!
Voila.
Voila! What you doing? Wait, something's missing. Oh, we need cake. Mommy, what should we need?
All right, so let's put the camera in. Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful.
Let's make a cake.
Come on, sit. Come, let's put this over here, actually. So, okay.
What's
So,
this? So, let's do
let's
it.
start with, this is a Betty Crocker cake. Betty Crocker carrot cake.
I don't like the carrot cake.
You don't, how do you know? You never even had carrot cake. You gotta try new stuff.
Carrot cake?
She always talking about she don't like something.
I want to put the flour.
Okay, so, yes, you can pour the flour, my dear. Let's get a measuring cup.
Here. Let's ready.
You gotta pour it all, Pooh. Gotta pour it all. Get in there. Pour it all in there.
There. That's better.
Yes.
Can I put the water?
What? I was going to say, what is that orange stuff? But duh, that's the big carrots. Okay, so come on.
Can I put the
It
water?
says with imitation carrot flavor pieces. Yeah, it's an imitation, all right. All right, Pooh, so let's see how much water we need. 1 cup water. Okay, so we need a cup of water. A cup of water.
That says cup of water. Now we need
Get
this.
our cut
We need
going.
this. We need this. We need this. That's an egg.
That's the egg. You gotta crack the egg. 2 eggs. Actually, 3 eggs. Yeah, and pour the
Can
egg.
I do the egg?
This is exactly 1 cup. Okay, so pour the water. Pour it in there. Good job. Look at you, a chef. My little chef girl, RZ. Or I should say chef girl, Araya.
Yes, Chef Girl Amaya!
Okay, let's see what's the next thing that we need. 2/3 cups of oil. Wait, well, don't be so fast to crack the eggs. You're making a mess in there.
Can I do that?
Hmm?
Can I do it?
Okay, hold on. It say 2/3. I just want to make sure.
Make sure.
I'll do this right. Oh, see. It don't even got 2/3 on here, and I should know this, but
I'm chef.
I am not sure what exactly is 2/3. Hold on, let me see something real quick.
Is this?
Darn it, I'm using the phone. All right, well, let's see.
Mommy, can I
This
put
should
it?
be about 2/3. You know what?
Can I put it?
I don't want to get this.
Can I put it?
Okay, hold on. I do not want to
Can I put it?
mess this thing up. So let's say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
We'll show you the end work.
Let's read the end.